Fresh repair. Kagama 6S tires. Oh my gosh. I think I just broke my shock. I did. That shock I was telling you guys about just a minute ago. I finally broke it. Well, holy cripe, that didn't last long. I just pulled the whole shock end out. Alright guys, so new 3D printed shock end on here. I don't know how long this one's gonna last because I have no idea how it was printed and what orientation. I just grabbed it out of the bucket of 3D printed shock ends. I've been trying all different types of temperatures, angles, and all that good stuff, which changes everything. The steering on this thing is so anemic. And I have tightened the servo saver up. I don't know if something was broken or what, but you can see. Unless somehow it needs adjustment again. I don't know. Maybe it came loose somehow. Full lock on the steering. It's just these tires. It definitely wheelies better though. Let's get back to what I was doing. I can keep her going full speed into this jump. Golly, that was dumb. Alright. See, all fours, Sean. Keep it on all fours. Like that. That's usually what blasts those shock ends. For me is those types of landings where it just super slams. That was close. Maybe that'd be cool. Who knows? We'll see. What was that? Yikes. That was definitely a lawn darter. Definitely a lawn darter, that one was. I feel like this camera on the head now, the heat's in. I feel like it's getting hot. That was dumb. Don't worry guys, I didn't ride the short bus. And it's because they kicked me off of it. It's not because I didn't qualify. I definitely qualified. Yeah, take it easy. She bounces so much with these tires on it. I think we're gonna have to get the electrical tape out like freaking Mr. Thunder. Like Mr. Thunder does, cause I keep losing my bodies. Beautiful. Right on the slope going down.
I do love the way she just... Oh my gosh. That was inches away from that camera. Want to get some road shots after this? All right, let's go get some road shots of it. That was bad. Oh my God! That one might have been the end of it. Oh my God. It's still freaking recording, you guys. I don't even know. Oh, that's the inside of the strap thing. Golly, that. Oh, that was brutal. That was brutal. That lens thing is straight. Spend more time picking this thing up more than anything. More than anything. More than anything. Sean, an idiot. Now you broke that. You broke the mount. Yeah, with as much crashing as this thing has done today, I should stop shitting on it. Oh, thankfully it was super gentle. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, don't do that again, John. That was luck right there that it didn't hit it harder. So satisfying. Yeah, that's so sweet. So about this is when the GoPro died, and oh, I'm
Unfortunately, I don't have any audio on this camera. The little camera that I was getting some FPV shots in the road died. Even though I was hitting it survived. It just ran out of memory card. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, damn it!